First time coming to do autocross. So
oh yeah, okay.
he was like, let me throw you in with somebody fast.
Okay. Hang on, Javi.
Oh man, what the? Oh wow,
Something like that.
Whoa. I've never seen driving like that before. Never.
You really can't drive anywhere like this except autocross here.
Yeah, and I thought I was the shit.